Hello and welcome to Cornwall. My name's Andy Paramore and this is Andy's Cornish Creations. A friend of mine, Don, has been in touch with me and given me the details of the Woodturners club that he belongs to, and it's Cape Cod Woodturners. And you can see here that they've done some amazing work, and I fully intended to sort of cherry pick a few pictures and just show a few, but as you can see, everything is of such a high standard that I just couldn't sort of pick and choose a few pictures. So here they all are. The video's only 6.5 minutes, so sit back and enjoy it. And there's some amazing work there. Well, I'm sure you'll agree with me that there's some beautiful work there, and such a variety of different projects, and all really high standard. It always amazes me what people can produce, and that looks like a really great club to be a member of. And thanks for Don for sending me the info over. There'll be a link below in the description of how to find the website for the club, which is a really good website, and you can scroll through the pictures at your own leisure, and get some great ideas for future projects. And so make sure you go over there and check it out. And just a message from me to the Cape Cod Woodturners. Fantastic job, guys. Really impressive. And I haven't forgotten any. I've been sent some pictures by people that I'm intending to put into another video that I'm going to put together. So I haven't forgotten you, and I'll get around to doing that soon, and with pictures of projects that some of my viewers have done, and there's some great stuff in there. So I'll put that together and get that out before too long. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. From sunny Cornwall again, my name's Andy Paramore. This is Andy's Cornish Creations, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.